Hello and welcome back to my channel. Do you guys hear that? Do you hear that? Yeah, that's the sound of silence. Ryan took the kids over to my mom's house so I can have a little break. And by break, I mean film. But today's video, you guys, this video for me is monumental. It's kind of an experiment. I always like to keep my videos very short and very fast. And over time, I kind of just feel like I'm censoring myself to a point. Like I don't fully get to talk to you. This is again an experiment, so if this fails miserably, you'll never see another video like this again. One big thing that I am doing different with my hair, I do have the low lights now. I might even go darker, stay tuned. But to style my hair, I've been using a wand. This is a Bombay curling wand, and I like the wand look better because when you're curling from the top down, there's more volume at the top, and I just prefer how it looks better. So now I'm a wand gal. I just like the look, so I'm just quickly touching up my curls, and then we have lots to do. Ryan's gonna be gone with them for about an hour and a half, so the race is on. If you guys have seen or heard about the shaken brown sugar espresso drink from Starbucks that everyone, including myself, is going nuts over, I wanted to figure out how to make it myself at home. So I figured it out, and it's this syrup, which is actually perfect. And then I just add 1 tablespoon of this, and you guys, I'm saving myself $5. I'm gonna add a second shot of espresso in here because mama needs a double shot today. I'm filming, I'm editing, I have 2 kids. I like just 1 tablespoon because let's be real, this stuff is just pure sugar. I don't want to add too much. Here's what I am wearing today. So this is a bodysuit I got so long ago from Forever 21, I want to say, and it goes with everything. It's a classic. I'm obsessed with necklaces lately. I just think like pretty necklaces make any outfit look so much nicer, and it's all I focus on now. When people are talking, I'm like looking at their necklaces. And then these are my thread up jeans. They're American Eagle, but they're extremely comfortable. And you know I won't wear it unless it's comfortable because I'm a comfort snob. Ferocious lion has escaped the zoo. Oh no, she's gonna attack. She's gonna attack. Hi! The lion has escaped the zoo. She's coming for me. We're doing a little DIY activity and making taste safe sand using oatmeal. Apparently you just put oatmeal in the blender, blend it up, and it becomes the texture of sand, and then the kids could play with it, and if Capri wants to eat a little, no harm done.
Woo! Dig, 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 dig. Let's dig out some more because got one.
Okay, here's our little setup outside.
Hey Mom, I'm making this for you.
You're making me a smoothie?
Yeah.
Oh, yummy. Then we're waiting for Capri to wake up from her nap, and then she'll play with that. I have the monitor here. We have my coffee. It is a gloomy day here in San Diego, but not cold, so. Side note, I love this little picnic blanket. We use it almost every day. It's waterproof, washable, and it folds up compact. So if you don't have one of these, highly recommend. You could take it to the beach, on a picnic, whatever. Now I'm trying to decide what I want to make for lunch. I think I'm going to do this mushroom tortilla melt. HelloFresh is sponsoring this portion of today's vlog. Thank you to them. HelloFresh is actually the #1 supporter of my YouTube channel. So by supporting them, you're also supporting me and my family, and I very much appreciate it. And you guys probably know by now, HelloFresh is one of my favorite things of life. Literally brings me joy every single week. Just takes one more thing off of my plate, thinking about what I want to eat any given week. Otherwise, I'm gonna make the same like 3 recipes over and over and over. Like, one of the things from the pandemic that's really going to stay with me long term is I like having my stuff delivered, you know? I like having it come to my door. It's so convenient, and everything is portioned perfectly for exactly what you need for that recipe, so there is no extra waste. They have meal options that can be made quick and fast. They have under 30-minute, and some of them are even under 20-minute fully made meals from scratch that taste so incredibly good. The taste of these meals is something that you just have to experience for yourself. It's way better than anything that I would ever make on my own. I will tell you that. Like the seasonings, the sauces. It's really the sauces a lot of times that just put it over the edge for me. They have options now where you can add on extra proteins. You could add on their garlic bread, or even just add on extra portions. So everything is super flexible. You could skip any given week. So you could go to HelloFresh.com and use my code BVASSOR12 to get 12 free meals, including free shipping. So you should definitely take advantage of that. If you've heard me talking about it for so long, it's time to finally try it and experience it for yourself. And then you will understand, Brittany, I get it. I get why you keep talking about this and why you love it so much. I would not steer you wrong. I've tried several others, and HelloFresh is #1 by far. Taste, quality of the ingredients, price, recipes, like everything for me. This is it. I love it. I'm so excited to try this. It smells incredible. Got my little dipping sauce here. Oh my goodness. This is so flavorful. So you should definitely try out HelloFresh. If you have not yet tried them, you are missing out. So again, I will have my code for 12 free meals plus free shipping in the description box. This is kind of funny because the other day I'm like, you look a little different, hun. Like, what's different? And he goes, oh, I lost 8 pounds this week. Ryan is doing a shred. I'm doing a 90-day shred, guys. You know, I got a little, a little bit of COVID weight, if you will. The COVID-19. The COVID-19. I put on the COVID-19. You know, I allowed myself to eat some foods that I hadn't for years. And I enjoyed myself for about 4 or 5 months there. And now it's time to tighten it back up a little bit. So I'm doing a 90-day shred, and I'm 2 weeks in, and I already lost 8 pounds. Okay, wait, answer in the comments. Who does Capri look more like? Capri, look like the camera. Who's that? Her dad. Well, no, if you look at pictures of me as a baby, Capri looks identical to mommy. So Miss Capri, we're trying to keep her up a little bit later than her normal nap time because we're stretching her to do 2 naps. She's in a transition. Yes, Carter?
Come outside.
Okay, let's go outside. So there are 2 home updates that we're considering, and we're trying to figure out which one to do. The first one is to put built-ins in this wall. So they would go into this wall and back and just make this wall and room look a little bit more put together. So that is home update option #1. The benefit is this is the room where we spent a lot of time in, so we would see it every day, and it would just take this room and elevate it a little bit. It's not really necessary, I just think it would look nice. So this is option #2. On our side yard, I don't think I've ever taken you back here because it's a hot mess. These used to be planter boxes. We covered them and then made one a sandbox, but really it's just a disaster. So my idea was to take everything out of over here, put some turf down, and then get an awning on top so it's all shaded. And then over here, I don't know, we could put a little playhouse, whatever, a bunch of toys for the kids, maybe a nicer sandbox, and just have this be a whole kids play area. And what I love about it is that it's out of the way. Just be a great place to hang out during the summer coming up. The cost of both projects would probably be around the same amount. So we need to choose one or the other, at least for now. So which one of those 2 would you do? Would you do the side yard for the kids or the family room, which we would technically see and use more often? Vote down below in the comments. Okay, so here's Ryan's haircut after. Not too bad. Carter's haircut looks good too, but we need to style it.
It's not styled, but I think Tom's boys are looking pretty sharp today. Check it out.
That's all me.
Thanks, Mom.
So Ryan is taking Carter out to run him like a like an animal because he's got a lot of energy today.
Did the park sell cars?
No.
How about the zoo?
The zoo does.
Let's go to the zoo.
Super good. She's flying. She's flying. Whoa. Wow. Whee! disappointment. So we're making a rainbow tote bag. Whoa, that's good. Squeeze, there you go. Woo, that's fun. Yeah. Oh, well, Carter wants to do it his own way, doesn't he? He found a faster way to do it. So then we have to let this dry overnight, so we'll stay tuned for the final reveal of the project. And here's how Carter's little tote bag turned out. It almost has a tie-dye type of effect, or watercolor, and he can use it to put his cars in. Hello, good morning. It is Sunday morning now. Ryan is downstairs with Capri. Carter is playing an educational app on the bed while I get ready really fast. I'm just doing like my 5-minute basic mommy makeup. Why do I even bother? Honestly, because I'm usually on Instagram stories all day long and I don't want to look like a foot. So every single day, rain or shine, I wear day 25. This is SPF 25. It's got hydration, antioxidants. It's kind of just an all-in-one underneath your makeup daytime product. I love the way my foundation sits on top. So I have my day 25, and then my favorite like everyday lightweight foundation is the NARS Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer. Oh my goodness, this looks like skin. So then I already have my lashes on, so that kind of does my eyes for me. Really quickly did my brows, and then beyond that I just do a little bronzer, blush. 10 years later I'm still using the Hoola bronzer, because if it ain't broke. Other little thing I have not shared, I am currently working on 2 businesses, and I am so excited because if you didn't get the memo, Vasor Essentials, my essential oil line, we closed down due to COVID. I mean, we were sourcing stuff from all over the entire world, like from Argentina to Italy to India. And when everything happened with COVID, like we weren't able to get a lot of stuff. It just became a huge mess. And then the company that made our box shut down. So we couldn't get our boxes, and that was a specially made box. It took like 5 or 6 months to develop that. So it all crumbled apart. Anyway, it was a good lesson learned. So next time I'm going into these new businesses with a lot more knowledge. I would love to tell you guys what they are, and I was going to tell you so you could come along the process, because right now I'm actually picking out a logo for one of them and I would love the help. They both require quite a bit of explanation. Like if I just said what it was without fully explaining it, you would be like, huh? Really? That's a little weird. I also don't want to get into the whole big long explanation because it might take a very long time before they're actually out. So it might be 2022 before these come out. By then, if I tell you now, then you're not excited about it. You know? I'll give you a little hint, okay? One is something that's for kids and moms, and one is something that's like a fun, girly product that I just wanted to make. I don't know, I just love it. So this is just my 5-minute mommy makeup. Hair is still done from yesterday. I put some dry shampoo in it. It's 8 a.m. and the playroom is already a complete disaster.
Hey Mom.
Yes.
You know what my crazy dream was?
What? I do like a 15-20 minute lesson with him every day. Right now we're doing this Bob Books. This focuses on writing the letters, which is what we are currently working on. So today we're doing O and P. Do you know any words that start with P?
Please.
What does ostrich start with?
Oh.
What sound does O make?
Ah. Ah.
Yeah.
Going over here?
You're putting a lot of effort to
Mom, what
those.
is this?
What is that a picture?
Pie.
Pie, yep.
P.
Wow, yep. Now freehand draw the P. Wow, good. Can you sing the planet song again?
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars and Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto way up far. These are all 9 planets revolving round and round, living in outer space and having so much fun.
What do you know about Venus?
The clouds underneath are yellow, and it's named after El Greek goddess.
It's named after a Greek goddess?
No, El Greek.
El Greek goddess?
Oh.
You guys are twinning over there.
Wow.
No.
Now they're gonna go under
Oh,
belly.
look at her sweet little
Oh, just
ponytail. Capri Rose is 8 months old. What else is going on? Yeah, you have teeth number 7 and 8. She's got a whole mouthful of teeth.
And a whole head of hair.
And she's got quite a lot of hair, you can see. Bing, bing. Shake your rattle. Yay! She was just staring at the bird and then the birdie flew away.
Bye bye, birdie.
Yeah, that's the sound. That's what the birdie sounded like. Maybe if you call to the birdie, it will come back. I just put her down to go to sleep, and she's laughing. You do not look tired. It's past your
You
bedtime.
gotta go sleepies, little lady. Sleepy time. She says, yeah, I'm gonna party.
What am I supposed to do? Night, night. Alright, so I'm going to end today's video, my first ever longer form vlog. I don't know how long this is going to end up being. I'm guessing 17 minutes. That's my guess. So if you guys did enjoy this style video, let me know because I will do them more often. And also don't forget to use my code down below to try HelloFresh and get 12 free meals. That's a lot of free meals. And actually, currently I am heating up the leftovers of that quesadilla with the mushrooms and the onions and the sauce. Oh my goodness, is that delicious? I am so excited. So thank you as always so much for watching and for all of your support, and I will see you soon with a new video. Bye. Say bye. Can you wave? How do you wave? Bye.